Ms. Rodriguez leaves her office and drives east. Let's draw a picture of that. Rodriguez travels east, and she is, at the same time, Miss Green leaves her office and drives west at a rate of 15 miles per hour faster than Ms. Rodriguez. Okay, we don't know how fast she's going. Let's say that she travels X miles per hour, and this one we know is, let's see, we'll call her G for green, X plus 15 miles per hour. Okay, at the end of 5 hours, the two cars are going to be 475 miles apart. How many miles were traveled by the faster car? Now, we got to remember that they've been on the road now for 5 hours. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the amount of time, or amount of distance that Ms. Rodriguez traveled. If you remember the little formula from algebra, distance equals rate times time. The distance that Ms. Rodriguez traveled would be x times 5, or 5x. The amount of distance that Mrs. Green traveled would be 5 times x plus 15. So that's the rate times the time. Then we have a total of 475 miles. So let's take this distance plus this distance, put the two together, and we will have the 475 miles. So I'm going to say 5x plus 5 times x plus 15 has to equal 475 miles. Okay, now all I have to do is solve and find out what x is. So I'm going to distribute by 5. I will get 5x plus 5x plus 75 equals 475. Put the two x's together, so 10x. And actually, I'm going to subtract the 75 from both sides. So 10x equals 400. Divide both sides by 10, and I find out that x is 40, or 40 miles per hour. That's her rate. Then, I actually wanted to find out, remember I don't want to answer it with just the 40. Again, that would have been a pretty logical answer choice in the ACT, because it would try to find the answer, find mistakes like that people make. But we're going to take that. We actually have to find out how many miles were traveled by the faster car. Well, that's not the rate of the faster car. The rate of the faster car was actually x plus 15. So they actually were traveling at a rate of 55 miles per hour. And they traveled for 5 hours. So their total distance traveled is 275 miles. And that is answer choice C.